Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Delhi Service Bill 2023. The Delhi Services Bill, formerly called Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi Amendment Bill 2023, has been tabled in the Indian Parliament. It is set to replace a current ordinance which overrides a directive of the Supreme Court that gives command to the Government of Delhi over most services. The ordinance has been a major reason for contention between Delhi government and the central government. Now let us look into the current status. As of now, bill is passed in both the houses of Indian Parliament. It will promulgate into law once signed by India's President Draupadi Murmu. Lok Sabha passed a bill a nearly 4-hour-long debate. Indian Home Minister, while responding to the debate on the bill, stated that the power to make laws on union territories lies with the central government, and since Delhi is a union territory, the centre has full rights to make rules for it as well. Now let us discuss features of the bill. The Delhi Services Bill states that the inquiries and suspensions of the officials of the national capital will be under the centre's control. The Lieutenant Governor will be empowered to exercise his discretion on various matters, which will include the decisions of National Capital Civil Services Authority and summoning the dissolution of the Delhi Legislative Assembly. The National Capital Civil Services Authority will include the Chief Secretary of Delhi, the Principal Home Secretary of Delhi, and the Delhi Chief Minister.